um, John Hanson provided such support to us and gave us the opportunity to get the children back. My son got full custody of both of his children, ages 12 and 4. And that is so unusual in Washington for a father to be given custody as opposed to the mother. One of the main reasons is that John is a very compassionate lawyer. He cares about the outcome, for what's best for the children. And he helped us through this process very professionally and for a very reasonable price. I can't thank him enough for helping us to get the children back, because they disappeared with their mother for about 4 months. We had no idea what happened to them. And he got us a court date as soon as was able to. And we were able to see the children for the first time, and through his professionalism, the judges absolutely responded to his suggestions and concerns about the children, and we were able to get them back.
Was he responsive when you called or emailed?
John was so responsive that he called me back immediately. I've never actually had any professional call me back that fast. He also has a sense of humor, which is great. It helps us relax when we're in court. He'd give asides telling us about the courtroom and how judges are and lawyers, and he has a lot of good lawyer jokes.
How did trial go?
Trial, I was nervous about the trial myself. We all were, and we were concerned because we weren't sure how it was going to turn out. But we felt that John had developed so much evidence, and we had witnesses, and he walked us through the steps that were going to be taken in the trial, that we felt fairly confident and calm during the trial, and we were able to get a good result.
Was John prepared?
John was very prepared during the trial. He asked questions that I would have asked, and I was so glad I didn't have to write down a bunch of questions for him to ask the witnesses and so forth, that he was right on spot. He knew everything about all of us, and he had prepared in depth before the trial.
If you had to do it all over again, would you use John again to do it?
Absolutely. I would use John again if I had to do this all over again. I feel that he is a warm and compassionate person. He has a good sense of humor. He's reasonable, and he kept us on track, and he understood all of our situations. I've had experience with other lawyers on other subjects, and I've never found one that was as compassionate and understanding as John. He's outstanding.